6 protein bars that are good for losing weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Check out our awesome collection of 6 protein bars that are specially designed to support your weight loss goals. These bars are not only super convenient and delicious, but they also help you to stay on track with your fitness journey. Plus, they're low in calories and might even contain fiber, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. With a wide range of flavors and textures, these bars offer a seriously satisfying and nutritious option to keep you energized all day long. So let's say goodbye to those unhealthy snacks and say hello to these incredible protein bars for a healthier and more balanced lifestyle. Number 1. Peanut Butter High Protein Bar, 160 calories. Peanut Butter High Protein Bar is a nutritious and satisfying snack that can aid in your weight loss journey. With approximately 160 calories, this homemade protein bar is packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. Peanut butter provides a rich source of protein and healthy fats, while ingredients like oats and nuts contribute to the fiber content and add satisfying crunch. Protein bars are a convenient option for on-the-go snacking, helping to keep you full and curb cravings between meals. By making your protein bars, you have control over the ingredients, ensuring they are free from artificial additives and excessive sugars commonly found in store-bought options. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: peanut butter, protein powder, oats, chopped nuts, honey, or natural sweetener, dark chocolate chips. And here are the instructions for making a peanut butter high protein bar. Number 2. Apple bars, 100 calories. Apple bars are a nutritious and low-calorie option for those looking to lose weight while satisfying their sweet cravings. With approximately 100 calories, these homemade protein bars are made with wholesome ingredients, including fresh apples, oats, and protein powder. Apples are rich in fiber, minerals, and antioxidants, providing numerous health benefits and aiding in weight management. The oats contribute to the fiber content, promoting feelings of fullness and supporting digestive health. Protein powder adds the boost of protein, which helps maintain muscle mass and promotes satiety. By making your apple bars, you have control over the ingredients, ensuring they are free from artificial additives and excessive sugars commonly found in store-bought options. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: fresh apples, oats, protein powder, cinnamon, natural sweetener, optional if needed for additional sweetness. And here are the instructions for making an apple bars. Number 3. Coffee bars, 90 calories. Coffee bars are a delightful and energizing option for those seeking low-calorie protein bar to support their weight loss journey. With approximately 90 calories, these homemade bars combine the rich flavor of coffee with nutritious ingredients to create a satisfying and convenient snack. The caffeine in coffee provides a natural boost of energy, helping to increase focus and enhance physical performance. These bars contain protein powder, which aids in muscle recovery and promotes satiety. The combination of protein and fiber helps you keep you full and satisfied, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking. By making your coffee bars, you can customize the sweetness and texture to your liking, and avoid the added sugars and artificial additives commonly found in store-bought options. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need these following ingredients: instant coffee granules, protein powder, oats, almond butter, natural sweetener, dark chocolate chips. And here are the instructions for making a coffee bars. Number 4. Cinnamon and oat, 120 calories. Cinnamon and oat protein bars are a nutritious and flavorful option for those aiming to lose weight while enjoying a tasty treat. With approximately 120 calories, These homemade bars combine the warm and comforting flavors of cinnamon with the wholesome goodness of oats. Cinnamon is known for its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which can aid in weight management. Oats are a great source of fiber, promoting feelings of fullness and supporting healthy digestion. These protein bars also contain protein powder, which supports muscle recovery and helps maintain satiety. By making your own cinnamon and oat bars, you can control the ingredients and avoid unnecessary additives and preservatives found in store-bought options. To prepare this delicious meal, you need these following ingredients: oats, protein powder, almond butter or another nut butter of your choice, ground cinnamon, natural sweetener such as honey or maple syrup, optional if desired, almond milk or another liquid of your choice. And here are the instructions for making a cinnamon and oats. Number 5. Blueberry bars, 140 calories. Blueberry protein bars are a delicious and nutritious option for individuals looking to lose weight while enjoying a satisfying snack. With approximately 140 calories, these homemade bars combine the natural sweetness of blueberries with the protein-packed goodness of other wholesome ingredients. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, which support overall health and well-being. The protein in these bars help promote satiety and aids in muscle recovery. To prepare this delicious meal, you need these following ingredients: oats, protein powder, almond butter or another nut butter of your choice, fresh or frozen blueberries, natural sweetener such as honey or maple syrup, optional if desired, almond milk or another liquid of your choice. And here are the instructions for making a blueberry bars. Number 6. Banana Whey protein bars recipe, 180 calories. Banana Whey protein bars are a nutritious and convenient option for individuals aiming to lose weight while maintaining their protein intake. With approximately 180 calories, these homemade bars combine the natural sweetness of bananas with the muscle-building benefits of whey protein. Bananas are packed with essential nutrients like potassium, fiber, and vitamins, making them a great addition to any diet. Whey protein provides high-quality protein that supports muscle growth and repair. To prepare this delicious meal, you need these following ingredients: ripe bananas, whey protein powder, oats, almond butter or another nut butter of your choice, natural sweetener such as honey or maple syrup, cinnamon or other spices. And here are the instructions for making banana protein bars. And that concludes our list of 6 protein bars that are good for losing weight. Do you happen to know any healthy protein bars that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!